Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to our channel. I am truly delighted to have you join us for what promises to be an incredibly uplifting and profoundly valuable session. Today, we are not just talking about fleeting good moods, we are diving deep into the science of happiness, exploring the simple, actionable habits that research proves can literally rewire your brain for consistent, lasting joy. This video is designed to be your comprehensive guide to transforming your emotional well-being, showing you exactly how to cultivate a more beautiful and prosperous life from the inside out. But there's an added wonderful benefit. Because we are using clear, articulate, and thoughtfully structured English throughout this entire discussion, this session will also be a fantastic, natural tool for your English learning journey. You will effortlessly absorb professional vocabulary, idiomatic phrasing, and polished articulation, making your English fluent and professional as you learn to live a more joyful life. Prepare to gain tremendous value, both for your mind and your language skills, as we unlock the secrets to a happier existence. Let's dive immediately into the core principles of psychological well-being, moving beyond mere wishful thinking to embrace proven neurological facts. The days of believing happiness is a matter of luck or circumstance are over. Modern science confirms that up to 40% of our happiness is determined by intentional activities, the simple habits we choose every day. Our journey begins with the powerful concept of gratitude. Research has shown that actively and regularly expressing thanks doesn't just make others feel good, it profoundly alters our own neurochemistry, reducing stress hormones and boosting the production of dopamine and serotonin. This isn't about grand gestures, it's about simple daily practices like maintaining a brief gratitude journal where you list 3 specific things you are genuinely thankful for, or taking a moment during your morning coffee to mentally acknowledge a positive person or experience from the previous day. This habit trains your brain to focus on abundance rather than scarcity, creating a positive feedback loop. Following this, we embrace the power of mindful movement. The connection between physical activity and mental health is undeniable, and you don't need an extreme workout regimen. Even 30 minutes of moderate activity, whether it's brisk walking, gentle stretching, or dancing to your favorite music, acts as a potent antidepressant. This movement increases blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and triggering the release of those powerful mood-boosting endorphins. Make movement a non-negotiable part of your daily rhythm, not as a chore, but as an act of self-care. Our third essential habit focuses on the art of giving. Altruism, the act of selflessly helping others, is one of the most reliable triggers for the brain's pleasure and reward circuits. This phenomenon, often called the helper's high, results in a significant, lasting improvement in mood. This doesn't necessarily mean large financial donations. It could be dedicating time to volunteer, offering genuine assistance to a colleague, or simply sending a thoughtful, encouraging message to a friend. The key is to shift your focus from your own internal challenges to making a positive difference in someone else's world. When you intentionally practice kindness, your brain perceives this as a social reward, reinforcing the behavior and making you fundamentally happier. Complementing this is the habit of nourishing social connections. Humans are intrinsically social creatures, and high-quality relationships are the single best predictor for long-term happiness and longevity. It is critical to move beyond passive scrolling on social media and engage in genuine face-to-face or screen-to-screen conversations with people who lift you up. Dedicate specific, non-distracted time each week to connect deeply with friends, family, or your mentor. These relationships provide emotional support, a sense of belonging, and validation, buffering the negative effects of stress and loneliness far more effectively than any other strategy. As we continue to build our happiness toolkit, we must incorporate mastery and flow. Our brains thrive on challenge and progression. The pursuit of a meaningful goal or the deep engagement in an activity you enjoy can lead to a state psychologists call flow, a feeling of energized focus and full immersion. This could be mastering a new skill, learning a musical instrument, or tackling a complex problem at work. The process of learning and achieving not only provides a sense of purpose, but also boosts self-esteem and efficacy, moving you away from stagnant contentment toward dynamic, satisfying growth. Next, we turn to the foundational habit of prioritizing quality sleep. Sleep is not a luxury. It is a critical biological necessity for emotional regulation. During sleep, your brain performs vital maintenance, consolidating memories and processing emotional information. Chronic sleep deprivation dramatically increases irritability and anxiety. Therefore, treating your sleep hygiene with the utmost respect. Establishing a consistent bedtime, reducing screen time before rest, and ensuring a cool, dark environment is one of the simplest yet most profound ways to stabilize and boost your daily mood. Our final transformative habit is the practice of mindfulness and presence. In our fast-paced world, our minds are constantly jumping between past regrets and future anxieties. Mindfulness, the practice of gently bringing your attention to the present moment without judgment, can dramatically quiet the mental chatter. This can be achieved through simple breathing exercises, a short daily meditation, or simply taking a minute to truly notice the sensations, sights, and sounds around you. This practice effectively reduces rumination, a key driver of unhappiness, and increases your capacity to savor the positive moments of everyday life. We have covered so much ground today, exploring the profound science-backed habits that move happiness from a desired state to an active, cultivated practice. From the neurochemical boost of gratitude and movement to the relational rewards of giving and connecting, and the psychological satisfaction of mastery and mindfulness, the blueprint for a happier life is clear and within your reach. This has been a deep dive into self-improvement, and I genuinely hope this comprehensive session has provided you with the clarity and inspiration to immediately implement these simple yet powerful strategies. If you found these profound and interesting lessons valuable and you are ready to continue your journey of growth and transformation with us, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button right now so you never miss any of our future high-value content. Furthermore, I would love for you to join the conversation and leave a comment below, sharing which of these 7 science-backed habits you are going to prioritize and implement starting today. Thank you for investing your time and focus with us. Go out there and start living your happiest life.